Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a skill skull from Yokai Watch 3. If you must know, learning from his many failures, Numbskull has now skilled in repairs and he likes to stick a ribbon onto his completed projects. So let's get started on drawing him, shall we? Okay, so let's start off with his eye. First of all, we always start with the eye. Next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw this part up here. Then here's his line. There's his head. Next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw this crack in his head. There's his head. Okay, so they got the flames on his head done. Next up is his scarf. Dad. Dad. Okay, next up, you just gotta draw his hammer. Got it right here. Okay, next up is his green sweater here. Okay, he has red and black stripes here. There. And that is how you draw a skill skull, everybody. Sorry I didn't have much time to do this, but hold on, let me just fill in his flames here and here. You see skill skull has two hammers, and his metal looks awesome, don't you think? Anyways, that's kind of about it. That's how you draw a skill skull. I'll see you guys again soon.